Hi friends, I am Adil Rahman and our main purpose is to make e-commerce website. Firstly, we must understand about website. Website contains many web pages like home page, sign up page, etc. And now it has two structures, front end and back end. Front end is the web application that user can see and interact directly with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But basically backend is a server-side web application that admin maintain or manage a website, and it is a part of a website which consists of a database, an applications or a server. And now e-commerce website is that website from where we can easily buy, sell goods and services. And now it has some examples. And our learning structures have HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, JavaScript, PHP, and Laravel, which is the framework of PHP. The PHP and Laravel used for backend. I hope you will enjoy these sessions, and now I will see you in next lecture.